panel. In this video, I'll show you how you can post the task and check the stats. So your available remaining credits you can see there. Now, in order to post the task, click on Task and go to Create Task. After that, you need to select what kind of task you want to post. That means what you want users to do. The most common is video upload. So you'll be charged 8 credit for each video uploaded by the user in his social media account. After that, click on Next. Then you need to choose the platform where you want your reel or short to go. Let's go with Instagram now. Then Next. Once you click that, you need to decide how many unique reels you want users to upload in the Instagram. For example, let's go with 100. So that means 100 unique Instagram user will upload your respective reel into their Instagram accounts. So it will be 100 unique links. After that, click on Next. Now here, you just need to give a task title. Let's say Upload IG Reel. Keep it simple. Then here, you need to mention a very brief details. Upload attached reel. Use attached caption. Submit link for verification. You can just keep it as simple as that. Now the caption is the part that you want, the data you want with the reel. Let's say business system. You can mention your hashtag also, business. Now, if you want the task to be featured, that means because members get a lot of tasks in their members area, if you click on feature task, you can decide how much you want to pay extra. So in this case, your particular listing will have a different color, like a red color background. So the members will know it's a bonus task, but this is an optional feature. So you can decide the value in case if you do it like 1 coin, then your total will increase to 900 credits instead of 800. For now, let me just remove it. Number of submissions, you have already decided you want 100. And due date is generally the next date. You don't need to do a lot here. Just put it 1 day before because it will be completed very fast. Asset name, you need to give the name something like download reel, or if it's YouTube, you can do shorts. And asset type, you need to click on video. After that, click on this box to upload the specific asset. Let's go with this one, a sample. Once everything is good, you can simply go and click on Create Task. Now, depending on the reel size, it is recommended to have a reel size of 50 MB and less. We can accept up to 200 MB, but the bigger the reel size, the more time it will take to create the task. So for the faster task creation, it is highly recommended that you just use 50 MB or under 50 MB. This particular reel is 80 MB. So it is taking the time accordingly. All right. So once the task is created, it will automatically goes into the pending task. Pending means now it goes to our moderators, our admins into the in-house office, and they will review the requirement. That means your reel should comply the platform policy like Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. If it is not complying, then it will be rejected. If it is complying, then you will see something like approved. And once it is approved, it is available for all the DoTasks member to complete the task. Now, once your reel is approved, after like few hours, you can click on Edit Details. And here you can just go to the submissions. In the submissions, you can see all the members who have uploaded your reels, and you can actually verify by clicking on the specific link. Let's say if you click on this link, you can see the reel with the tag is here. Now remember, you can always click on the username and check the user profile because we are very strict in approving the users and they are all verified Indian mobile users. So this is all. And as you have chosen 100 reels, which is equal to 800 credit, we still give some bonus one. Each page have 20 reels. So multiply by 6 pages, it is like 120 reels. So in case if you reject something, you can still get the equivalent amount of the reels that you have purchased. Now in the dashboard, you can see the total task you have created and the ongoing one, which is not finished. One is approval pending that we have just created. See, you can see that the reel is, this one is ready now that we have created and it is pending approval. Okay, and eventually you can see your balance and total here. And also you can see in your approved task, you can also see the user reviews. It's not that important, but it's for the platform on what user think about the quality of this task. So if you click on the reviews, you will be able to see some of the reviews left by the user after submitting the link. So this one is 4.9, like 4.20, 56 review, all the original users you can see here. And once it is finished, if you want to buy more, you can simply click on buy packages and you can purchase it. If you are purchasing it through a forum, then you need to contact me and I will help you with the purchase. So same way you can create more tasks on the different platform. For example, if you want someone to like post for you, then it's a 5 credit. Then you can go and choose the platform again. Let's say YouTube. Then you click on the next submission, how many you want, how many posts that you want user to post. Let's say 100. Click on next. And again, you need to provide all this information and submit it. It goes to the pending review, and then once approved, it will be done. Typically, it takes around 4 to 5 hours in IST, Indian Standard Time, to complete it. In case it's a night time, then it can take up to 24 hours to finish it. And you can always track everything here. If you need to see the discussion forum, you can click here and you can see all the members here talking about different issues. This is your wallet option. In the wallet, you can see your balance and you can see everything that you have actually used. For example, the bonuses you have received from us, or the amount spent in creating a specific task, a refund in case there is some issues, etc. So everything is into the wallet sections. So that's all in this video. In case you have any issues, you can always contact me directly and I will be happy to help you.